Assalam Alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Please like my video and subscribe my channel with the bell. Please don't skip my video. Let's start. Today I am making chicken kachori. Ingredients we need: semolina suji, flour maida, ajwain, salt, oil, water. Take 2 cups of flour maida. Add 1 cup of semolina suji. Add 1 tsp of ajwain. Add salt as your taste. Mix it very well. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix it. Add water as required. Kneading dough with hands. Gave it rest for 30 minutes. Step 1 done. Step 2. Ingredients we need: boneless chicken, oil, salt, garam masala, paprika powder, ginger garlic powder. Take 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 250 grams chicken. Mix it. Cover it and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix it. Add 1 tsp of garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger powder. Add salt as required. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder. Mix it very well. Cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on medium to low flame. Add 2 teaspoons of chili sauce. Mix it. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. bowl roti. Add 1 tablespoon of chicken in it. Make it kachori. Heat the oil and add kachori in it. Fry it on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. It's ready. Please like my video and subscribe the channel with the bell to update for next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.